Welcome to the second part of BIM Data widget tutorial. Now we are going to continue with the 5th step, which is to set our scroll box widget. I just need to add our horizontal box to the canvas. Inside of this horizontal box I will add text. This is used for get a name to the scroll box. I will set the name of this scroll box like data. Now I'm going to add the scroll box to the canvas. Inside of this scroll box add another horizontal box. Inside of the horizontal box add two vertical boxes. And between this vertical box add a spacer. Set both vertical box to variable. The first one named as a case, and the second one named as values. Now we need to add the metadata key into the scroll box. Add a sequence, and after that add a clear children. The target will be the keys. A cast to first person character. The reference to cast to the first person character is the player character. Now get the metadata from the first person character. Well, sometimes we have to compile again our blueprints to get the new variables that we create. Now, this is the variable that we create when we click an object with the line trace. We get the keys, and we create a for each loop. In the loop body, we create the metadata keys widget. Load the get player controller to the own player. Get a keys reference. And add child to vertical box. Look the return value to the content. Now open the metadata keys widget. delete the canvas panel, and add a vertical box. Inside of this, add a horizontal box and a text. We need to bind this with a variable, so create a binding. Now create a name variable. And plug it into the return value. And this widget is ready. For the metadata values, we only duplicate the metadata keys and rename. I had to compile this again. And in the class, set the metadata keys. Set the text variable with the array element from the for each loop. Copy this and plug it into the second. I change this for values and plug it into the for each loop. Don't forget to change the class of this. Add the reference of the values for the add child to vertical box and the clear children. Now it's time to test our blueprint. As you see, everything is working. When I click on a BIM model, it shows me all the metadata, and when I click again, the scroll box disappears. Now I'm going to show you a last thing that is use the click mouse to get the metadata. For that we need to get its input key down from the key of the left mouse button. In the target set the get player controller. Delete the target variable and add a delay. I will add another branch. The conditional will be the return value of the isInput key down. Now plug the other branch to the false output. Now I will need get hit results under a cursor or objects. The target will be the player controller. In the object type, I will add a make array, just like that. I will just copy the same mechanism of the line trace. We will not use the flip-flop, so delete. Okay, so let me organize all of this. Plug the hit result to the break, and plug the files into the other branch. Now, when it falls, we delete the last scroll box that we created. Now delete all of this, but first copy these functions, and in the begin plane paste this. Copy the remove from parent, and before create another widget, we need to remove the last scroll box that we create. When it's not valid, remove the widget too. And there we have. This is working. When I click on an object, it gives me the same metadata like in the line trace. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. If you want me to make more videos or tutorials like this, let me know in the comments. I will read it. So, see you soon. Goodbye.